up, guys? Welcome to another one. So far I worked on it a little bit off camera, trying to figure some of the wiring out, and I actually did. So now car is actually running and starting running from fuel pump control from GM ECU. All my fuse stuff is ready to go. So all this is gonna be gone. This is gonna be gone too. I'm gonna use only these two plugs. Actually, these plugs might be gone too. I bought a little adapter to make my GM ECU run to my BMW CAN bus right here. So all my gauges and stuff will work. So that's coming in the mail. Also extended this little wire. That's the trigger for fuel pump. All this will get deleted. All this might be used later. And this is my little fuse box. Oops. Right here. It's gonna be mounted on the firewall. This is my ground, yellow is my positive hot wires. Blue are my signals. And this white one is a signal for the fuel pump. And now the blue one goes inside the cabin to my fuel pump. So now the car is actually running. I'm super excited. Next step would be figuring out my header situation, headers and drive shaft. So I'm gonna mess with it a little bit more and then go from there. Probably will be tucking all the wiring right now, making it nice and clean. That's crazy, but it's ready. This is how it's gonna look. My little fuse box is for main relay and fuel relay, and all the fuses for hot stuff like injectors and stuff, and all the necessary sensors. And hot stuff is ran directly to the positive post, and then the ground, I'm out of proper fittings, so I just literally just bolted it to there. I'm gonna change it, but it runs to there. Rest of my wires run together with the throttle pedal wire. They run all the way to that side. So this side is basically complete besides these wires, which have to do with cooling fans and AC and stuff like that. So just gonna chill here for now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them yet. Now I need to figure out where to mount my ECU. Everything's gonna be tucked either inside here or like behind right here. Car runs. Let me start it for you. Quick. Come on. This wire is just bypassing my immobilizer because it's freaking out. Again, some of the gauges don't work because I don't have the little module that I ordered yet, but sounds insane. So all I need now, honestly, I have fuel pump and a fuel pressure regulator coming in the mail. All I need is headers, because right now I just open headers, the drive shaft, and that's it. I will be using original BMW radiator and condenser and everything else like that. Actually, maybe I'll end up using GM condenser, I don't know. But I do want AC in this car, and the little module that I bought for CAN bus, it lets you run the AC. It lets computer understand, to raise RPMs when AC is turned on and stuff like that. So that's super exciting. Now I have to go under the car and start measuring stuff out in there, making my shifter and stuff, shifter linkage that I talked about last time. I wanted to shorten and stuff. It's right there. And I need to clean it up because I've been just going at the car and I have a mess everywhere right now. But yeah, I'm super excited. Wiring nice and, you know, tucked, super clean. So my little 46 adapter box came in. You know, that's for my bus wires. So there's one wire goes from ECU, connects in one of these, and then goes these two wires connect to two of those, and then power ground on this little box. And I'm gonna hide it somewhere like over here. Probably gonna, it's not sealed right now. I'm gonna probably seal it so it's waterproof for the future, because it's gonna be in the engine bay anyway. But he also sent me a PDF to so I know which one goes where. So I'm quickly gonna do that, throw it all together, figure out which wire I need from the ECU, connect it here, and then we're gonna quickly test it. I modified stock CTSV shifter, like so. Cut all the brackets off, left the bracket, bolted it all together, and it fits right in there, right on the BMW hole, just like that. And then I have to, you know, make some holes and bolt it on. And from underneath, this piece needs to get welded like so. Goes to transmission, goes to this side, goes to OEM shifter. So I measured it multiple times. You know, now I'm gonna go get the professional, my friend, to weld it, and then I'm gonna clean up the shop, I promise. But oh, and what else I did was I modified OEM BMW one and a CTSV power steering line. So I just put like a long piece of tube in there with a you know, little bulge on both sides so it doesn't get torn apart. So we'll see. It shouldn't leak, but it bolted to OEM bracket, goes all the way up into, you know, the power steering pipe, and then all I need to do is just get the hose going from here into there, you know. So I have power steering now. Now I'm gonna go get this thing welded real quick. Alright guys, so it's done. That's how it looks. And right now I'm gonna quickly throw it in and see how it works. I had it offset a little bit like this, just because the shifter sticks, the other end of the shifter sticks down lower than this part. So when I twist it like this way, you know, when you select between first gear and, you know, piston 6, it doesn't bind into it, so it has to be offset a little bit. So I'm gonna throw it in quick and test it. The shifter is installed and I'm about to try it. Haven't tried it yet. Beautiful. I'm not too sure how do you... Oh, reverse is gonna be hard. Let's reverse. I put the wheels back on. I'm gonna throw the fender on quick, and I wanna see where I can put this ECU. Preferably somewhere over here, but you know, I can't let the wheel hit it. So I have this box in my pile of parts right here. It's an OEM ECU, OEM bracket. It's pretty bulky. So I don't know if I... Yeah, so check this out. I put the fender on, turn the wheel all the way, put the front end on, trim this piece out. I'm planning on sealing it a little bit more. It's gonna hide under here. All right, guys. So I put it all together. It looks super clean. Sneaking all the way back there, zip tied to the frame, not rubbing or anything. Coming up, put a nice peak lamp right there. Not cert. Probably gonna put another peak lamp right here, just to hold this down. We'll see. And yeah, ran all the way up, alternate hooked up. This is my MAF sensor. I might need to zip tie it this side like out of the way somehow a little bit more, but it's turning out super nice, very clean. And the wheel does not hit, which is freaking awesome. All my gauges work because of this little guy that I bought. Maybe some probably upside down so water doesn't get in there. Nice and clean. Just need to get rid of some of this wiring, you know, hide it. Tack it all. My modules right here. Wiring is gonna be covered right here. This wire is the AC compressor wire, so I believe it's gonna go over there. So this is just laying here. My grounds are done right here. Need to hide it a little bit better. I believe these two wires are transmission, go to the transmission switch for reverse. And yeah, I need to limb all this, make it nice and limbed. My mirrors should be here soon, but I'm gonna be ending this video right now. I appreciate you guys watching. I got new camera. I hope the quality of the videos are a little bit better. I still need to clean up my shop. The shop is way better, you know. I cleaned it up, so it's not as messy. And honestly, I'm waiting for either buy used headers, or I heard that CX Racing usually have sales on 4th of July, which is coming up in a week or two here. So I'm either gonna buy one on sale or try to find used one or make one. I have a buddy who said he can help me make one, but I don't want to bother him unless I have to. I appreciate you guys watching. I hope it's as fun for you guys as it is for me. I'm having a blast, you know. Super excited for car to be finished. And whoever's here, you know, sticking with me, waiting for car to be painted, thank you. If you're new for the build, you know, consider subscribing. I have a wide body E46 that's molded into the body. Car's almost done, so it's getting there. But thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.